Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a very short micro project for getting your network address, and this is being done on Windows and we're going to use it through Ipconfig. So I'm going to create a subroutine here called network address. And we're going to create an array here called network config. So this will store the information. I'm going to assign it to Ipconfig, which is a program on Windows. Now we're going to print out a message to the user. Getting network config new line, and we're going to use system here, and that's going to be network config. Okay, all we have to do now is call the program. So that's going to be, actually I'm going to call it network config, that will be better. Or maybe network address is better. Okay, so now we've agreed upon a name for it. Doesn't really matter, I could call it the dog's gonads and it would still work so long as I called it by its name down here. Anyway, let's just save that and let's run it. Okay, so there we go, we've got all the information there. Okay, so there we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.